Everybody, Thomas here, and I love this chair. I continue to work with this chair a lot for some reason, but I like it. All right, today we have a black walnut slab that I've been drying for about 2.5 years. I've planed it down at my buddy's planer. A little bit more I got to take out there. We're gonna make this to a coffee table. And to give you some rough ideas, right here in the middle, about 13.5 inches. Out here, 24 inches. And over here, about 13 inches. Overall length to the center of the crotch, about 54.5 inches. But as you can see, I've got some unevenness here. I think we're gonna go ahead and clean up where this chainsaw mark was. We'll take like a cut just inside there, and then we'll trim up this one, just do a cut just barely there. Also, we have some checks that have occurred over time. This is the side that I want to make as the upside, and we'll clean up these checks and put some CA glue and stuff in there. I'm going to show a time lapse of this, but each afternoon after work, I'm trying to finish up one piece of wood and then sell it. This will also be up for sale. I just don't know how much I'm going to charge for this one yet, because this one's kind of a unique piece, and yeah, pretty stuff. So stay tuned, watch the time lapse as we finish up this black walnut piece. Okay folks, there you have it. I did not show on camera here the adding of the Howard's feed-in wax, but as you can see, it's got a nice satin finish that looks really nice and smooth. Very happy the way this turned out. You can see all the areas we filled in with the CA glue. Did pretty well there. We filled in a couple little sections over here too, in this beautiful figured section. Filled in these little holes here. It just looks great. Very happy the way this turned out. Very modern looking black walnut piece, and we've got to move a lot of inventory here around the farm because we're moving soon. So what better way to move the inventory than to make it into something that people can use, and it'll help me pay for the move because we've got a lot of stuff we got to move. The beautiful piece here, this black walnut. We've made 2 of our coffee tables in our house out of this exact same tree. This tree has provided some really beautiful stuff. This came out of Missouri, and just that figured section, I mean, absolutely beautiful figured piece of wood. If you like this channel, please like, subscribe, and if you like these builds, please comment below. Like I said, each afternoon I'm trying to knock out a build with something. Now tomorrow I think I've got something going on. We've got Cub Scouts and stuff like that, but you know, I've got the cedar mantle I recently made. I didn't do a video on that. I will do a video of the second part because it is absolutely beautiful. So again, please like, subscribe, trying to grow the channel. And if you like this, please let me know. Comment below. We'll see you around. Thanks.